Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today we'll be drawing a pretty princess. Please grab your black marker and let's start. We're gonna start with her face. So we're gonna do like a shape like this. Then on a distance on top here, add a line. And now we're going to connect those two with a wavy line. And then connect this two with another wavy line. That's good. Now let's finish with her hair. That's pretty. Now let's add the eyes. And you can do the eyes closed or open. Mine are gonna be closed. And of course, let's add a smile. That's cute. You can even add a crown if you want. We can add big stones here. Show that they're bright and sparkling. That's good. Now from there, let's add a neck. And from there, let's do the dress. And a little bit on an angle, we're bringing it down. Now connect together and let's add a skirt. So, that's good, right there. And we can do waves like this. Now from there, let's bring the lines up top there. That's good. Now we're still missing her hands, so let's add her hand. And you can decide again, maybe you want her hands up and down. Mine are gonna be like this. That's good. Now from here, I still want, let's see, mine is gonna go up. That's good. Let's add maybe a magic wand. So she's holding something, right? And we can do it like different shape. That's good. And we can even add, yes, like this. That's nice. Now let's add more details to the dress itself. What we can do, we can add, and you can decorate the way you want it. Maybe you have your own design in mind. So please don't be afraid to use your own ideas. That's good. And now we can add like a circle here. That's very nice. And even a line here. That's so nice. Now let's finish her hair. And we can even add some lines here just to make it nice and pretty. That's good. Now let's add the shoes. And we can add some details as well. That's good. And I think we're done with that. And if you want, you can add any other details, like maybe, again, maybe it's like a fairy princess. So we can add moon here. We can add the stars. good. We can add as many stars as you want. That's good. Maybe one more here. And you can do some stars big, some stars small. Decide. That's good. One final one. That's pretty. Maybe one more here. That's good. Now we have quite a few. Now put your marker aside and let's start coloring the dress. And if you want, you can do it one color. If you want, you can do kind of like a rainbow dress. That would work as well. Now I'm gonna use purple here. That's good. Now I think I'm gonna do red here. That's beautiful. Now I'm gonna use orange. Now the next one is going to be yellow. That's good. The next one we can do green. The next one I'm gonna use, let's do purple one. That's good. And I'm gonna grab dark color and I'm gonna color it purple. There you go. I'm gonna use this one for the and I can even do this part purple also, like dark purple, but you can pick your own colors, like the one that maybe your favorite color is, pink or yellow or green. Look at this. Now let's do her hair, and I'm gonna do it yellow, but you can use orange or brown. That's very nice. Now the next thing, let's do the crown, and I'm gonna use like orange for that. I think I'm gonna use the stones. I'm gonna use pink, but you can use even like different colors for the stones. That would be pretty as well. The next thing, let me do the skin tone. I'm gonna use this pale pink or yellowish kind of, it's something in between, so have this tone for the skin. do the shoes. Maybe we'll do the pink, why not? Cute. Look at her. If you want later on, you can even add the cheeks a little bit. Yes. That's good. Now, let's do the magic wand, and I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be yellow, and inside I want mine to be, wait, I want it pink as well. But you can pick your favorite colors. And now we're almost done. Like, I'm gonna do the moon here. I'm gonna do the stars. I hope you like your princess. Please subscribe so we can do more lessons together. Thank you guys.